Next is formulae related with limits. Formulae limit x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. Sin x upon x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0. Cos x is equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0. Tan x upon x is equal to 1. These are important formulae. Now what is meaning of this? Limit as x tends to 0. Sin what value here must be here. Then value is 1. Limit as x tends to 0. Cos x is 1. Limit as x tends to 0. Tan whatever value of x must be present here, so that we take value 1. Now question related. Evaluate. Limit as x tends to 0. Sin 5x upon x. How we solve this question is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Sin 5x is here, so write 5x. At denominator this value, take 5x. We take this value at denominator, so multiply by 5x. And remaining value x right here. Once again, limit as x tends to 0. Sin 5x is here, so 5x. Take this same value at the denominator. So take 5x here, we take it at denominator, so multiply by 5x and take remaining value x, and next is value of this is 1. Value of sin x upon x, value of sin 5x upon 5x is 1. X get cancelled, here is 5, and then final answer is 5. Limit as x tends to 0, sin 5x upon x, x tends to 0, sin 5x upon 5x. We take this value at denominator, so multiply by 5x, remaining x get cancelled. At this limit, value of this term is 1, there is 5 product, so answer is 5. Next is question. Limit as x tends to 0. Sin 8x upon tan 4x. So solve here numerator and denominator separately. So limit as x tends to 0. Sin 8x. Take here 8x, multiply 8x, multiply by 8x. Similarly, same formula is of tan, so tan 4x, take here 4x, multiply by 4x. Sin 8x, 8x, tan 4x, take 4x denominator at denominator. So multiply by 4x. Now add this limit, value of this term sin 8x upon 8x is 1. Now here x get cancelled. So at the numerator there is 8. Value of this term tan 4x upon 4x at limit x tends to 0 is 1. According to that formula, tan x upon x is 1. So x tends to 0, tan 4x upon 4x is 1, then 4. After simplification, we have answer 2. And 2 is correct answer 2. So remember this formula. Next is question. h tends to 1. Question, evaluate. Limit as h tends to 1. 1 minus x square sin pi x. This question is solved by substitution method. Put here x is equal to 1 plus h. X is equal to 1 plus h. As x tends to 1, h tends to 0. H tends to 1, h tends to 0. Now therefore is equal to limit h tends to 0. 1 minus x is 1 plus h bracket square sin pi x is 1 plus h is equal to limit h tends to 0. 1 minus bracket square expansion 1 plus 2h plus h square bracket square expansion 1 plus 2h plus h square sin multiply inside by pi plus pi h. Therefore is equal to limit as h tends to 0. 1 sin changes inside minus 1 minus 2h minus h square sin pi plus pi h. Sin pi plus theta is minus sin theta. Sin pi plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. Here is sin pi plus pi h is equal to minus sin pi h. Sin pi plus theta minus sin theta, sin pi plus pi h minus sin pi h. Now write here minus sin pi h. 1 get cancelled. Limit as h tends to 0 is equal to take minus outside. Minus and h take common. Minus h common. So here is 2 and here is h. Product is minus 2h minus h square. Here is minus sin pi h. Now adjust the formula. This minus h as it is 2 plus h. Adjust formula of sin. Minus h no. Minus minus becomes plus. So only h 2 plus h sin pi h. Sin pi h plus h 2 plus h sin pi h. Next step. H tends to 0. H as it is 2 plus h upon adjust formula of sin. Sin pi h upon pi h into pi h. Sin pi h. Sin pi h. Sin pi h upon pi h into pi h. Value of h get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Value of the sin pi h upon pi h at this limit is 1. So then put value of h 0. value is 1 and there is pi. Answer is 2 upon 5. Formula here we use h tends to 0, sin pi h upon pi h is 1. Term from numerator and denominator get cancelled, so put value of h is 0. Don't write limit word, so 2, h is 0, this value is 1, h tends to 0, sin pi h upon pi h is 1, and then pi. Answer is 2, numerator, denominator is pi. Finally 2 upon pi is the answer. 2 upon pi is the correct answer.